Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a good day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market, the last 48 hours to 72 hours, the market has come to a standstill point. But something that's very exciting is the fact that Bitcoin is able to hold the support over 112,000, clearly suggesting that the market is getting ready for something big. But there's one token that's actually done some crazy things, especially in the last 1 year, and that's Pepe. You guys can see it went from 10 all the way to actually losing 2 zeros, and this is probably a perfect opportunity as the market is heating up to invest in a very good token. And the one that I've been paying attention to is Pexebel. Now Pexebel is a very exciting token. Why? Because first of all, it's still in a pre-sale stage. If Pepe can do 200x, this one can also do it in a couple of months, considering how much liquidity and also how much they have already raised in the pre-sale stage. And just to give you an idea, the pre-sale stage hasn't even come to an end, so you guys understand that there's a lot more opportunity that will be coming into this token very soon. At the same time, if you do decide to buy it right now, you can actually stake away, and the stake away percentage that you receive per annum currently is at 5,572%, giving you an idea. As more people are going to buy, obviously the percentage is going to go down, so getting in early would be a great opportunity. On the other end, you need to understand this is being launched on a very small targeted audience, but once it actually gets launched, let's just say in a few months, we can probably expect like 100x very soon. And this is not faster, cheaper, it rides the oldest and the most trusted chain in crypto. And the best part of it all, this is not a copycat token, and you guys can see it is the Bitcoin layer 2. Send your Bitcoin to the designated Bitcoin address monitored by the Pexebel bridge. Once confirmed, the smart chain will verify and will instantly give you the Pexebel layer 2. Why is this a big deal? Because you need to understand that security is good. At the same time, if you want to understand the whole story behind how they all came together, that's where the real magic is. Because you guys can see, first of all, it's not just a hype, but a deep narrative and world building built on the Bitcoin blockchain, on the most secure chain, which obviously, you know, has been around for the longest time, and Bitcoin was the one which actually started all this up. And it combines NFTs, gamification, staking, and at the same time mystery eggs, which pretty much gives you a randomized power, reward, or rarity, and you would be able to make a good return from that. The current price, I mean, if we just go up, you can see is sitting close to, you know, not very high amount, because currently it's close to, you can say, 0.0027 cents, and I mean currently it's like 0.0028 cents, but once it's listed, there is a little bit of plan that the price will be listing at $1. And if you do the maths, it's a close to 400x return just at listing. And for a little bit of understanding, that's, if you put in $100, that's $44,000. And their roadmap is very simple. I mean, if you just go down here, first of all, their tokenomics, the supply is treasury is 25%, 20% to marketing, 15% to community, 10% to listing, 20% to the project development, and 10% to staking to pay everyone out. And let's just say they've been covered by quite large news around the world, and a lot of influential people have actually covered it on their channel as well. I mean, you guys can see there's a lot of influential crypto analysts who have actually covered this token, clearly giving you suggestion to actually get into this as soon as possible. And considering the fact that, you know, they do want to do so many things and there's utility with this token, it gives it a lot better opportunity in terms of how well it can do in the future. And another thing that's really interesting is they're doing the, you know, the giveaways, which is Pexebel airdrop is here. Get free 1 million per week. How do you join? It's very simple. You just need to follow them on Twitter, tag 3 of your friends, drop their ETH address, and once the 7 days are over, let me tell you, one person is going to win, and that money is obviously going to be, you know, distributed. The Telegram has about 2,000 subscribers, and their Twitter page has about 1,800 followers, but their reach is pretty good considering the fact they only have 1,600 followers, 5,000 views on the tweets, or, you know, the tweets that they are making. And This is the treasury, so currently they're still in an opening stage where if you do decide to, you know, become part of this, you will be getting the 5% bonus. And then obviously as you go further and further, the pools are going to get bigger, and once the 30 million is raised, you guys can see pool size will be 5 Bitcoin, and 100 lucky winners will be winning a little bit of that piece of cake. And at the same time, this is the other second week giveaway, so you need to get to these giveaways as soon as possible. Now if you do want to buy this token, it's really simple. You just need to go to the link in the description. It will bring you to this website. Now you can decide two ways. You can either just buy it through connecting your wallet, and if you do decide to connect it, it's right there, and then you can connect your wallet, or you can also buy it through your card. Now the card is also a very simple process. Once your wallet is connected, you just need to select how much Ethereum you want to change into Pexebel, and then just buy. And don't forget to stake it away, because you will be given quite a large amount of return just by holding this token. So even if the pre-sale takes time to end, you're still making bank. Other than that, this is not financial advice, it's just my personal opinion. So make sure you guys do your own research. It is your money. I hope you guys have a good day, and I'll see you soon.